So I bought two Cybertrucks and they were both lemons and they were both repurchased by Tesla. But here's why I'm thinking about getting a third one. Hear me out. Just hear me out. Yo, welcome back to the channel, whether you're a long-time viewer or a new subscriber. I appreciate every single one of you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. And this video is not for everybody, but this video is for you. Some of you might think I'm crazy for thinking about getting a third one, but some of you might think it's a great idea. Now, let me explain it. First of all, you guys, if you don't know, there's plenty of videos linked below about the drama and how Tesla's taking care of me when I've had those issues. But here's the thing. In my last video, when I talked about my second Cybertruck going back, so many of you have commented, get a third one. You got to get a third one. Third one's the way to go. I see a third one in your future. And I'm trying to figure something out. How many of you who commented that are being authentic? Like, you really want me to get a third one and to make content, and it's such an amazing vehicle when it works and there's nothing else like it on the road. And how many of you are the people who are laughing at me, love to see other people miserable, the kind of person that watches a mukbang video just to see the person eat themselves to death, and you're just there for the drama, you're here for the stupidity, you're here to watch someone be miserable and dumber than you? How many of those comments come from those people? And I'm trying to figure it out. And then I started thinking, like, it's not about that, right? Because the negative will always be negative. What did I love about that Cybertruck? Well, we ain't got that much time in the video. If you've driven, if you have had a Cybertruck, you know all the amazing things about it. You also know some of its shortcomings. You know some of its problems. You know that I'm not the only one that had one repurchased, but I'm one of the few people that talk about it. And that's what I do, right? Cobreezy told you. Just to add a little more sauce to it. Obviously, I love Teslas, right? Obviously, I love the Cybertruck. You see, I got my wheel covers up there still. You see that? Matter of fact, this Cyber Beast shirt, I've owned it for over a year, and this is the first time that I've worn it. Two reasons why. Number one, it just wasn't the right time. I think today is the right day to actually wear this. And number two, I couldn't fit it. So those two reasons, I'm just being real with y'all. Here's the thing, though. If I did get a third Cybertruck, I wouldn't be getting a third Cybertruck. The Cybertruck wouldn't really be for me. And that's why it's hard, because I just picked up a Model Y and I got it in December 31st. And honestly, if I didn't get that Model Y, I probably would have ordered that $60,000 Cybertruck to have another Cybertruck and to experience that again. And at that price, it's like, you already know that's a great value. But I did order that Model Y, and I have that Model Y. And I went with a Model Y because I wanted something more reliable after two buybacks. So that's the first reason. And two, it's hard for me to say, like, all right, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to drop this money again, and hopefully, and even though Tesla did support me and buy it back, but that would be the wrong reason. I think if there was another Cybertruck on this channel, it wouldn't be for me. It'd be for you. I do it for you. I do it for the people who has come here for that content. I do it for the people who have purchased Cybertrucks based off of my videos, my opinion. Because honestly, this channel wouldn't be what it is without you. And I'm not talking about the haters that want to see me just go down the toilet bowl with spending all this money on Cybertruck. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the real ones out there. I'm talking about y'all that really want to see my content with the Cybertruck and me displaying and showing it for everything that it is, whether that's good or bad, and everything that it can be. And man, I'm talking about, man, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this channel's for y'all, and y'all really, like, think about it. It's called Cobreezy Told Ya. Who am I telling anything to if you aren't listening, right? Y'all here for me, and I want to be here for y'all. And it might sound crazy, it might sound weird, but to me, that's what it's about, man. I'm here for the people, you know what I'm saying? Because honestly, when I look back on a lot of purchases that I made in the past, I've relied on people I've trusted. I've relied on friends. I've relied on YouTubers, but that doesn't happen overnight. You know, you get to, really experience someone. And when you talk to people, it's someone that you trust or feel you trust, or someone that has similar goals that align with yours. So I know that feeling. And dang, I'm just thinking like, man, what do I do? And hey, y'all can make fun of me if you want to make fun of me. And my whole identity is not Cybertruck. My channel is not called Cybertrucks. It's not called that. And it's not even, I would say, the best part about this channel. But I'm telling you, my Cybertruck people, y'all know how y'all are. Y'all are ride or die. And man, that's crazy, y'all had my back when CNBC was talking about, how I bought a second one after the first one. Y'all had my back. Y'all went on that channel and was telling people like, y'all don't even know the story. Y'all don't even know, right? Y'all supported me, man. And I don't know, that's a humbling experience. Those of you who've used my referral link, that speaks volumes. It just, I'm just a normal dude that just, talking his talk, talking his mind, talking about what comes to my mind, talking about things going on around me. And I feel like it'd be a lot easier for people if you just share how you really feel, regardless of how other people take it. And, people are going to love it, people are going to hate it. That's what they say. The Cybertruck is doing something right if people love it and people hate it. Like LeBron James. I just lost 9 subs because y'all don't like LeBron James. But I don't know. I just had to get this off my chest because my wife, even though she is the best, even though she won't admit to being tired of me talking about the Cybertruck, she might be tired of it a little bit. And all my homies, my friends, my colleagues, they've seen the Cybertrucks come and go, and it hasn't been at work, and no one has brought it up. I think I've told a couple people, and it's gotten around, and they know how I feel about it, and they probably just being respectful. Sounds crazy, like in mourning, but it's not even like that. It's not even like that, but hey, man, this is just an open forum for me to share how I feel and how you guys feel. And, let me know in the comments. That third one, man, I'm telling y'all, man. Am I crazy? Hey, they say everybody get a little crazy. Hey, I appreciate every single one of you. Let me know how y'all feel. Don't forget, Cobra told ya. Ain't gonna keep on telling ya. All right, y'all.